5 crazy facts about bananas. Did you know that bananas are berries? Well, actually they are. But did you also know that strawberries aren't? Well, actually they're not. Let me explain. In botanical terms, a berry is the fruit produced from a single flower's ovary that contains seeds. So by that definition, bananas totally qualify. Each individual banana is made up of hundreds of flowers. All you need to do is look at a bunch of bananas before they've been peeled, and you'll see what looks like a bunch of tiny flowers bunched together. Each one contains a little seed. They just so happen to be encased in a peel. Strawberries, on the other hand, are not berries. They're aggregate fruits. Each little droplet on the strawberry is a tiny fruit with its own seed inside. So they're not all coming from the same flower. So actually, in botanical terms, a banana is a berry, but a strawberry isn't. That means if you ever hear someone describe something as being as elusive as finding a needle in a haystack, you can confidently correct them by saying it's actually more like trying to find a banana in a pile of strawberries. Here are 4 more crazy facts about bananas. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Yep, you heard me right. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of those hearts pump blood through the gills where they get oxygenated, and then the 3rd heart pumps the blood around the rest of the body. And if that wasn't strange enough, their blood is blue. Wombats poop in cubes. I am absolutely not making this up. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Scientists aren't exactly sure why this happens, but they think it could be because wombats are marsupials, which means they carry their babies in their belly pouch after birth. The shape helps the poop stay in place while they waddle around with their tiny joey in tow. It also might help them mark their territory since the cube shape leaves distinct markings on the ground. Either way, that is one very strange way of making a number 2. Honey never goes bad. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old, and it was still perfectly edible. There are a few reasons for this. For starters, honey is already super high in sugar, which creates an environment that's not suitable for microbes that cause spoilage. It's also naturally acidic, which means that bacteria that break down food can't survive in it. Lastly, honey's low water activity means that even if microbes do make it into a batch of honey, they'll quickly dry out and die. So feel free to raid your pantry, raid your fridge, raid your cupboard, raid your etc., and enjoy a nice sweet snack that won't kill you. You can't hum while holding your nose. Go ahead, try it. It's almost impossible. When you hold your nose, you block the airflow that comes in through your nostrils. And oddly enough, you also cut off the airflow that exits through your nose. Since humming is all about getting air to vibrate through your nasal passages, you basically cut off your ability to hum. That is unless you're this guy. Speaking of things that are hard to do, getting rid of those pesky student loans might seem just as difficult.